Tiedowns here, and today we are going to be doing a video of the abuse that can come out of spurs, bits, whips, and these things which tie down your horse's mouth. Today we have a guest. What's your name, guest? No, you say it.
Firestorm.
And that is our special guest today. And so basically, we have. So I'll start on gag bits because I don't really know what they are, but they sound bad. So can you see these? I'll grab a picture that's really good. Okay, this one's good. So see that strap right here? That is a dressage thing, or really anything technically. You know what it's for? It is to cover up the pain that your horse is having while riding. Because while you're in dressage, if your horse opens their mouth, they lose points. And it's like if somebody came up to you and strapped a strap underneath your chin and over top of your nose and made it so tight that you can't even talk like this. It's like, cool. And then Western, is anybody here blind? Can anybody else possibly see that this horse is in minor pain? Or not even minor, just like extreme pain? I get bits are, you can need them, and bits are one of the things that I'm not too against, but the abuse that bits can get into, like, look at this poor horse. I think it has a hackmore. Right, that's right. For those of you who don't know, is a hackmore is something that if your horse isn't accepting a bit, then you strap down their mouth, or usually, and then when you pull down on your bridle, instead of stopping pulling on your horse's mouth, it closes on their mouth, and this one is a mechanical hackmore, but the non-mechanical hackmores, they're not too bad. But yeah, bits can be good. There are cases like this horse where they don't hurt the horse, but the abuse that people think they need, these straps that they think they need to hold down their horse's mouth. Anyway, moving on from that one, because I don't want this to turn into a two-part video, we are going to go on to, crops. Crops on horses. Okay, let's just look at this photo. What do you think this jockey is about to do to this poor horse? He has his hand way up in the air with a crop and is about to smack his horse as hard as he can to make them go faster. Can you see the fear in this horse? Can you see the fear in this horse's eye? The ears pinned back, the eyes wide open, full of fear. And this guy is just like, woohoo, I'm gonna win a race. Let's make my horse suffer. That sounds like a good idea. Stupid. And look at this guy. You can even see, he's just hit the horse with a crop. And you can see the ripples coming off of your horse's back. Like, geez. Yep, more. And now we're going to be doing whips because they're different from the other ones. Whips, crops, I'm quite against. I really hate them. I think that they should be banned. And this guy's about to hit his horse for his horse doing nothing. They're not even in a show. And it's like, how would you like it if a smaller animal came up and jumped on your back and started hitting you with whips? So, yeah, I'm totally against crops. But now let's do... Yeah, me too. This is an opinion from... What's your name again? This is an opinion from Firestar.
Yeah, I think it's unfair because when you hit the horse, it slows down, and you keep hitting it, but it just suffers.
Yeah. Okay, it's actually Firestorm. She changed it. My bad. See, the thing about whips is that they can be extensions of your arms inside Liberty and stuff like this person. But I don't think people also sometimes do this thing where they hit their horse with whips just as abuse. So that's what we're just gonna touch on whips, and because we gotta get moving on. Let's go on to spurs. Oh no, I wrote spus. Yeah, so, can you see that? That horse is bleeding. Are you people blind? Can you not see that this horse is being hurt? It is bleeding. Yes. And you guys are going to go out there and say that it is just an aid? Are you people blind? Are you colorblind? Can you not see that that horse has red on it? And especially Western spurs, they're spiky. In English, honestly, I like the English spurs better. I still don't like them, but if I had to choose, like I was forced to choose, I would say English, because English, they have rolling spurs, which don't hurt, but Western, they're really pricking. And I'm not an expert on spurs, because 1, I've never really seen them, and 2, I've never used them, which I plan on never doing it. Oh look, let's look at, yeah, so see, are you really gonna tell me that this is just an aid? Are you blind? That is red. It is bleeding. How would you like it if an animal jumped on you who is smaller or bigger than you, bigger in this case, and then decided to put a spiky thing on their feet so that you could get pricked every time they wanted you to do something? And dressage, they have to do this thing where their horse's neck is kept like that. And it's like, I don't like it at all, because I think it's cruel, because it's just like if somebody took, especially tiedowns. I forgot about tiedowns, but I hate tiedowns. Because that's like if somebody came up to you and they tied your head low, like just attached to your neck. And it's like, no, I like to move my neck, please. I'm never going to use any of these, except for bits, because I do use bits. But not the gag bits or anything. Let's go to tiedowns. Down. Okay, so here's a, what's that? Oh yeah, that's a thing. So, you can't really see it because it's really well matching with the horse, but there's a slight buckle here which might guide you, but this horse has a tie down on, and it's because I'm going to be abusing my horse today because I need to get more points in the rodeo, and that is a very good reason, because I think that I want to win this show and I deserve it, and so I deserve to hurt my horse in order to win this rodeo. So that's what's going to happen. But yeah, that's just horrible. About what? About what?
Are you telling the truth that you're gonna hurt your horse?
No, by the way, I'm not, our guest just guessed. Okay, your name is Firestorm because I can't remember the other things, so our guest Firestorm was just pointing out that, yes, I am joking, by the way. I wouldn't ever do that to my horse. And, this is why I hate horses. Can you see this? This horse has a chain on its face. That is like prison. It's prison. Really? It's prison. Just a little picture with a nice cute pony. Poor pony. Years back, probably having a stupid little kid rider who has no idea what they're doing. And then, so, here's an English version of tie-down, and, English tie-downs are actually, they don't give as much room for the horse's neck, so they're actually lower. This cowboy's falling off. He deserves it, because he's wearing spurs. And then got some stuff. I'm so excited because it's actually near Christmas, and my mom is going to give something to me when I go to her house, and I'm so excited. Anyway, back to the video. So yeah, we've got all these different types of tie downs, and they're horrible. Especially in vaulting. Vaulting, you use tie downs, and they are horrible. Let me just take this so that... Like, look at that. That is so tight. Photos of power and pain. Yeah, pain. Definitely pain. Because there's like this thing here on their back, and then they have a bit in their mouth, and it's being pulled down. Plus, they have they have one of those flare things. Oh, look at me. Yeah, that could be a lot of bleeding. Starstorm, or Firestorm, just mentioned that. So, now I'm gonna look at flares, because I think that's what the thing that tied down the horse's name. Like, I think it's called a flare, but could you tell me, please, in the comments below? That would help so much. Flare. Flares. What? No, not flat. No, this is just because we have a bit of time left. We are going to do a video. We're going to go to YouTube, and then we are going to do something special. Just for 1 minute. This should be on. This is good.
Let's do
it. Did you see that? This is like my favorite thing. Okay, see you guys next time. My dad is calling for breakfast. See you guys next time. Bye! Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, that was funny. Let my